Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of RM Cookbook. Hope you all been well. Today I'm going to share with you a very delicious recipe of banana and oatmeal pancake. It's very easy to prepare. So before I begin, I would like to give a big thank you to all our new subscribers. And if you're new to our channel, please consider subscribing if you haven't done so. If you like a food recipe, you can find plenty of different type of recipe in this channel. So without further ado, let me just show you what you need to prepare this recipe. We're going to be using 2 very ripe banana for this recipe. And to that we'll be adding around a cup of dried oatmeal, and to that, as you can see over here, I just added a 1/4 teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda because we want our pancake to be quite fluffy. And just to balance it out, we are adding around a 1/4 cup of self-raising flour. You can use all-purpose flour also if you wanted to, and because we're not going to use any sugar in the recipe, and also we have used a very ripe banana which is already sweet, so to make it more healthier, we are just adding around 2 tablespoons of raw honey. Try to use raw honey, that way all the good protein and the pollen goodness of the pollen protein actually are intact in the raw honey. So I'll also put a link of the raw honey to the description section. And we've also added a single egg and a 1/4 cup of milk. So that's basically what you need for the pancake batter of this recipe. Give it a quick mix into the blender. Again, we're actually using blender. You can use a food processor also, but the reason we're using it to make the batter mixture consistent, no lump should be there, so this way the pancake becomes very good. As you can see over here, we've added a little bit of butter, and on that we just poured in our batter mixture, enough to make it a very nice circular pancake. So if you want to make it bigger or smaller, it's up to you. You can actually decide how you wish to prepare it. And as you can see, the top layer, as it starts to bubble, that's basically an indication that you need to flip your pancake, and just gently flip it over, and as you seen over here, let the other side also cook for around a minute or so, and also make sure the flame on the cooker is very low, because if it's in high flame it's going to burn. So keep it just below medium flame. And also for this recipe you don't need too much oil to make this pancake. As you have seen in the beginning, the amount of oil the butter we put on the frying pan, that was enough to make one of this pancake. And once you see the pancake is enough fluffy and puffed up, you just take it up, and it's just basically that's it. The pancake is done, and you can serve it with tea or coffee. We served it over here with some coffee, and it goes very nicely with morning breakfast. So as you can see over here, and also you can drizzle in some more honey or chocolate, or in our case we just used date syrup. Date syrup is far more healthier alternative than using golden syrup. Golden syrup is nothing more than inverted sugar, so you can actually make golden syrup at home, but the healthier option is this kind of date syrup or honey if you prefer. So drizzle in some date syrup, and then just do a quick taste test in our case, just to show you that how spongy the pancake was as we actually prepared it home. It was really delicious. It took no time to prepare it. It can be done in a few minutes, and as you can see over here, we're just showing it to you that how fluffy and spongy the pancake was. So hope you give this recipe a try and see if you like it or not. If you do like it, please leave your comment on the comment section. We are always eager to know what you think of our recipe, and thank you again. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. So till the next time, take care.